Hello friends, in the previous video, I discussed the topics related to bytecode, translators, compiler, interpreter, and the Java versions. And we had written a sample Java program also. In the today's video, I will discuss you about the how to install the Java on your local machine. First, we need to go to Java official website. You can search for Java download, and Oracle is the official website www.oracle.com. Here you can see JDK 22, JDK 21, JDK 17, and so on. You can download the JDK 22, the latest version. First, I will check what Java version I have. To check the Java version, we need to use Java hyphen version command. I'm having the Java 21. Now I am downloading the JDK 22, Java 22. I'm opening the file. It will take some time to load. We need to click the next. Until then, we will write the steps. First thing is we need to go to official website. Oracle. I will give you the link also. If you are a Mac user, then you need to download the Mac version, Mac OS. Just a second. We'll copy this. You need to go to the above website and download the Java latest version. And then close. Now, after downloading it, we need to set the environment path. You need to search for environment. You can see the edit the system environment variables. Here you can see in the system variables, you can find Java underscore home. If you don't have Java underscore home, then you need to click the new and you need to create this one. In this place, you need to keep the 22. Here also you need to replace if you have the user variables also. Now try to run the Java version command. You can see Java 22, the version is installed. These are the steps to download the Java and install it on our local system. First step is we need to go to Java official website Oracle and download Java 22. And then install the application. You need to download .exe file. And then after installing the application, add the environment variable. You can see in this one, environment variable, Java underscore home system variable java underscore home, and the path is this one. Just a minute, I will change the font size. You can go to this location, you can see the Java, whether it is installed or not. Go to C program files, and here you can see the Java folder. And here you can see JDK 21, JDK 22. If I want Java 21, then I need to edit the environment variable. And I can set here JDK hyphen 21. This is the process of installing the Java on our local system.